Hi, Glenn here from GMT Pointing Specialist Limited. The aim of my YouTube channel is to help people either doing it themselves or if you've just started a business up. On this property, scaffolding wise, I've put a double inside board on so I can lift the boards out of the way and get round it. Even if you want to just lift one single board up, you can still get to all the joints. So that's with the double inside boards all taken out. So when I've finished, I always make sure I wash down and brush and clean the scaffolding. For one, it's when the scaffolders come to do your job next time, they'll listen to you if you want to change just how they put it up slightly. And it helps the lads out and they're not getting dust in their eyes. The other thing I also do is I always clean the fascias and I always check the gutters and clean the gutters. I don't charge for this, it's part of the service that I provide when I'm doing the pointing. And it goes a long way for your advertising, because that client then becomes your advertising, because she'll say what a wonderful job you've done and you've cleaned the fascias and gutters. So this scaffolding's coming down tomorrow, so I'll do another video on after it's dropped, just to show you how I leave the property. Thank you.